This initial solution will show you how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out issue. Solution number 1. Clear Instagram cache. In mobile devices, caches are small data files that speed up the performance of apps. Nevertheless, corrupt caches may cause performance issues with your apps. If you're experiencing an Instagram keeps logging out issue, try clearing the Instagram cache on your device and then check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 2. Restart your device. The Instagram issue may be caused by overloading your device, which could cause problems with the app system. However, suppose the random logging out of the Instagram account is caused by overloading your device, restarting your device will help resolve this issue. Solution number 3. Update Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. And if you see any update available, then update your Instagram app and then check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 3. Use only one account with the Instagram app. The Instagram app may kick you out if you have multiple accounts. This may be considered an unusual sign by the app. However, you can, link your many Instagram account to your phone and access the other accounts from your computer if you use the Instagram app on your phone. Trying this solution might also help fix the random logging out of Instagram. And the next solution is change your Instagram password. Your Instagram account may have been accessed using another person's phone. It is possible that you will be kicked off Instagram if the person logs in with their device. In order to avoid the random logging out of the Instagram account problem in the future, you must change your password. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. So that's how you'll be able to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.